We give a challenge to team Arga. Clap hands for Arga. Yeah. So you both stand up. Stand up together.
Stand up, stand up. Yeah.
Okay. And you ask your friends to. We are keeping up a word, so please guess. Ask your friends.
Okay guys, now we are giving
Of a word.
of our. So guess it.
Okay. Yeah. Try to guess.
Bisa semua tim. Bisa.
Yeah, everybody can. Who is the fastest to answer will be the winner. So everybody has your own time. It's up to you how well you can create question. So if you are fast to make question, it is better. Yeah. Start. Mulai.
Does your he cook?
No.
No, he doesn't.
Does he preach?
Sorry, does he
Preach.
preach? Does he preach? What's preach? Okay, he doesn't understand.
No.
No, he doesn't. Okay, next. Go to Henry.
Does he teach a student?
No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't. Joe, don't sleep. just relax, stay cool and relax. Okay, next. Yeah,
Does he
winner.
drive a car?
Once again.
Does he drive a car?
No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't. Hurry up, everybody. Give more questions. Come on.
Does
Yeah, Las Maria.
Does he go to school?
no, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't. Come on. Yeah, top winner.
Does he build a house?
No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't.
Does
Yeah.
he repair something?
No.
No, he doesn't. Okay. Next. Yeah, Henry.
Does he delivering message?
Does he deliver message? Does he deliver message?
He doesn't.
No, I mean repeat. Does he deliver message?
Does he deliver message?
No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't. Yeah.
Does he catch the like criminal?
Sorry?
No.
Does he catch
Catch criminal.
criminal?
He doesn't.
No, he doesn't. Come on, do you give up? Yeah.
Does he type?
Yeah. Does he type letters? Type letters on computer? No. Come on, do you give up? Yeah.
Does he help us sick people?
Yes.
Yes, he does. Yeah.
Ah,
Okay, you give her chance to answer. What is it?
what is
A doctor.
Yeah. You're right. Okay, great answer.
Curang.
Okay.
Kinapukot.
Dura?
Go now to Amal and Indre. Ask to both of your friends. Amal and Indre. Okay, stand up. Both stand up and you explain. You ask your friends to give questions or interrogative sentence, and after that you're free to give questions. Come on.
Does your
Start.
Okay guys, now we are teaching of a word, so please guess it.
okay?
Does he
Stand up. Stand up. If you want to give questions, stand up.
does he save a people?
No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't.
Cepat jawabnya ya. No, he doesn't. Okay.
Does he teach a student?
No, he doesn't.
Does he works in the hospital?
No, he doesn't.
Give questions. Arga. Okay, Arga.
Does he work at church? He doesn't.
No, he doesn't. It should be clear to answer. Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Okay, clear. Next.
Does she build something?
No, he doesn't.
Does he sing?
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't. He doesn't.
No, he doesn't. Okay. Do you give up? Las Maria, come on, give a question. Las Maria, try. Try, Las Maria.
Does he dance?
Hey, Las Maria.
Does he dancing?
Does he dance? Does he dance?
Does he dance?
Does
No,
No, she
he doesn't.
doesn't.
Does he
Okay. Theo.
does he fight?
No, he doesn't.
Does she style a hair?
Would you repeat, please? Say. Would you repeat, please? Would you repeat, please?
Ilah.
Udah kami.
I mean, you are you sure that what he told you is almost correct? All right, continue. Go to other things.
Does he say? Say. Berlayar.
No, he doesn't.
Okay, come on. Okay, Joe, try. Mas Maria, do you have a question? Okay, Joe. Okay, Martin.
Does he search news?
No, she doesn't. Okay, you can ask. Do you give up? Say to them. Do you give up? Say.
no?
No. They don't give up. Try Arga. Good question. Okay, Arga.
Does he work at stage?
At stage. Yes, she does.
Oh.
Wait.
Ah,
We give time to Arga to answer. It's not your part. Okay, Arga, answer.
does he a model?
Yes. Okay, clever. Okay. You have, is he a model? Is he a model? Yes. See? All right. Thank you so much for winning. So, Team Arga got one and Team Indri got one. Please move here.
Cie jodoh.
Initial N. Initial N.
Okay. Go to that place and you explain. You ask your friends to give interrogative sentences. Okay. Yeah, start.
Well, friends, now we are keeping a word and try to guess it. Yes.
Joe, do you want to say something? Yeah, Joe. Oh, Arga.
Arga.
Does she work at hospital?
Yes.
Good answer.
Okay. Yes. Do you know what's the answer?
What is it?
Is she a nurse?
Yes.
Alright. You got two, yeah? Yeah. Start.
Right now, we are keeping award.
Please guess.
Please go.
Yeah. Henry.
She go to school?
Does she go to school?
Does she go to school?
No, she
He
doesn't.
doesn't.
Does she drive car?
No, he doesn't.
Does she protect
No, he doesn't.
Yep.
Sorry, what did you say? Does he
Does she
protect president?
No.
No.
Lindungi.
No, he doesn't. Okay.
Is he a bodyguard?
Okay. This is the time for you to explain and ask your friends to give questions to your profession.
Okay, friends. Now we are keeping a word. Please guess it. Yeah.
Does she believe something?
No, he doesn't.
work at office?
No.
Okay, look at yeah.
Does he work in the hospital?
No, he doesn't.
Martin.
Does he work in the Philippines? Di kebun.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah. Apa Indri.
Does he search news?
No, does he search news? Does he search news?
Does he search news?
No.
Yeah, Theo.
Does he works on the zoo?
No, he doesn't. Okay, more. Try to win. Okay, Martin, Theo apa? Jo.
Does he go to
No, he doesn't.
Theo.
Does he drive?
Apa?
Drive.
Yeah.
Yes, he does.
Yes.
No. Hey, time for him. Yeah. Do you know? Can you answer? Okay, try.
Does he a taxi driver?
No, he doesn't.
Jadi apa?
Okay, Arga.
Does he a driver?
No. It's already the answer. Arga give interrogative question. Interrogative question.
Udah tadi.
No, he doesn't.
Okay.
Does he a pilot?
No.
He doesn't.
Give question. It is an answer. Give interrogative question. Does he drive a plane? Does he sweep floor? Like that. Okay.
Does
Yeah,
he
Theo.
drive a train?
Yeah.
Masinis. Apa tuh masinis? Itu dasar masinis.
Masinis.
Masinar.
Bahasa Inggrisnya.
Pemasinis.
Apa masinis itu?
Masinis.
Masinar.
Apa bahasa Inggris?
Kasi pala, kasi nandiyan pero diri ah. Tapos hindi kenapa? Satu, dua.
Okay.
Is he an engineer?
No.
No, he doesn't.
Okay.
Satu.
Okay, give up. Do you give up?
Do you give up?
Okay, try.
I'm so nervous. Please give up. I will give you 2 rupiah.
Give up. Theo. Hey, Theo, do you give up? Do you still want to try?
Theo.
Apa tadi bilang
Please give up. I will give you. Yes.
Okay.
Terus yang kedua?
Sorry?
Yes, I give up.
You give up.
We give up.
Do you give up?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
not
Yes.
yet.
Cara kami dulu.
Can I help?
Yes, sir.
Can I help? Giving question. Does he deal with machine?
Yes, sir.
I know it. It's a mechanic.
No, sir.
It's a driver.
Yeah, but
Am I right?
yeah, but specific lagi.
More specifically. A co-driver.
No.
Di train, sir. Di kereta, sir.
Co-pilot.
No.
Kasih pertanyaan. Udah sampai dapat harus sama.
Oh, yang di sini
Ayo,
capek
ayo.
lah kakinya nih.
Duduk Pak, duduk.
Enggak, harus berdiri. Berdiri. Sampai dapat.
Please, gila. Marta udah datang.
Okay. Do you give up? Oh.
Ya
Oh,
lah.
I'm sorry. Can I give? Oh yeah, try. Does he drive an aeroplane or train?
Yes, sir.
What does it?
Train.
Yang apa, sir? Yang mengecek-ngecek apa
Sige,
nih?
tayo bilangnya. Dah lah, nyerah lah.
Alright, do you give up? Give up.
Iba pala po siya.
Give up. Okay, give up. Say. Do you give up? Look at the camera. Give up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You give up. Do you give up? No. Yes. Do you give up?
Udah,
Okay. Alright. Please tell the name.
Messi nih.